Hi, and welcome to the coding manual. Today we are going to study about insertion sort, and it's a pretty easy technique to sort a given sequence. So let's see how it works. Uh, so what do we do in this sorting is if we have a given a sequence, so what do we do? Start from the second, we start from the second, and we compare all the elements in the left with that particular element, and we try to find a position for that the element we have taken. We have started with 10, so let's see. So what do? We take temp as 10, and now we compare in the left array, left of the list, to that the element we have taken from that index to left of that till the zero index. We will try to find a position where the element we have taken, where does it fit with the condition. uh, we need to go till index 0, and we need to find, along with that we need to see till temp is less than, suppose index we are traversing is j, where j starts from this particular index is suppose I, the and index is suppose I. So j will start from I minus 1, because the element we choose, we start just previous to that till 0 index. So till j is greater than or equal to 0 and temp is less than a of j, because temp we have taken second element, that is 10. So is 10 less than 9? No. So we don't have to do anything. We that the position for 10 is second is the best one right now. So what do? We increment I as 1. So we take the second element. So temp becomes, so right now the array is same. Okay. Now temp becomes 2, because we have taken this element. Now temp becomes 2, and j becomes here, I becomes 2 and j becomes 1, means 10. So we compare if this is true. So what this logic actually is trying to find out an index in the left array, index in the left side, where that particular element will fit. Okay. So compare 2 with 10, is this less? Yes. So go again back, and in this case what do? We copy this to this particular, so it becomes 9, 10, 10, 8, 3, 6. So we have in this, we have come till this. Okay. Now compare 2 with 9, is it true? So 2 is less than 9, so what do? Copy this over here, so it becomes 9, 9, 10, 8, 3, 6. Okay. And when it reaches this, when this the array is finished, so what do? If we have element which, for which we have the this particular this particular condition is being true until we reach the 0 index, what do? If that is fine, so we replace that particular with temp. So it becomes 2, 9, 10, 8, 3, 6. So we have reached till here, we have taken this. Now take 8. So 8, starting from this to left of the array we will go, and so temp becomes 8. 8 is less than 10, and index of we have not reached 0, so copy over here, so it becomes 10 and 10, 3, 6. Now we compare till this one. So 8 is less than 9. Yes, and we have not reached 0. So copy this over here. 9, 10, 3, 6, and we have we have compared till second first index and compare with the 0 index. Is 8 less than 2? No. So replace this. 2, 8, 9, 10, 3, 6. Okay, now we have traversed till this, till 8. Take 3. 3 is less than 10. Yes, and we have not reached 0. So copy this and temp, keep 3. And 3 less than 9. We have not reached 0. Copy this. So it becomes, and again there will be three iterations. So 10 has become 10 has come here, 10 here, 9, 8, 2. Okay, now cop this we copied here. So what it becomes, 2, 8, 9, 9, 10, 6. Now 3 is less than, we have we have compared till this. 3 is less than 8. We have not reached 0. So what it becomes, 2, 8. Copy this, 8, 9, 10, 6, and 2 is less than 3 is this, 3 is less than 2. No. So replace this, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10, 6. Take this and search in the left. 6 less than 10. Copy over, temp is right now 6. Copy over here, becomes 3, 8, 9, 10, 10. We compared this, compare this now, right now this. Yes, we need to change. Copy this to, this will go here. 2, 3, 8, 9, 9, 10. Okay, now we have compared till 9. Compare this, 2, 3, 8, 8, 9, 10. Temp is still 6. 6 is less than 3. No, we need to replace this, 2, 3, 6, 8, 9, 10. So this is sorted. So what will be the code? Code will be actually A. Suppose this is A, 9, 10, 2, 8, 3, 6. So what we will do is, um, for I in range of 1 to len of A, we will take A minus 1 and a value, or temp as A of I, and we will start from while temp is less than A of j and j is greater than or equal to 0, then A of j plus 1, because we are copying, we are always the updating the next index with previous index. Okay, always the next index value is being changed with the previous one. So next index is being changed with previous one, and we are moving back. So that's why j minus minus, and when we reached where this loop ends, this particular loop ends, so then we are telling the A of j plus 1, because we are finding that condition falls at a position where that in at a index where that that condition being false, so we are updating the next one as temp and just print. So let's see in this code how it is working. Sorting doesn't have anything, just create a insertion.py. Okay, let's take the same example, 9 10 2 8 3 6 for I in range of 1 with len of a, temp as a of I and j as I minus 1, and then while j is greater than or equal to 0 and temp is less than a of j. We are updating the next value with the previous value, and then we are going back, and then when we find that proper position, so we are updating a of j plus 1 with the temp value. Okay, let's see if we are cd python and cd sorting, then python insertion 23689. So we will tweak a little bit and try to see how exactly it is working. Print not here, loop. I need to show it. I can dock it here, not exactly. So loop, first loop did not change anything. Second loop, it second came to the first and being shifted. So I want to show you how this being copied. Okay, so I think here I can show. Okay, okay, yeah. So first loop, because as we were seeing first loop 10 was here, but we went to left, we compared, nothing was there, so we had to end that, and we did not have to update anything. Okay, now let's see first index, and now 10 being copied. So 10 was being copied, 10 was being copied here, 9 10 836, 9 10 836, then it becomes 9 9 10 83, it becomes 9 9 10 83. Okay, so loop 2. So in this way you can try to understand how this was being finding the proper index to insert the element we took. Okay, so I think everyone was able to understand that, and please try to find the source for animation in the description, and some of the sources to understand more and more clearly. You can create sort, and you can create your own sort and see how it is working in the visual format. Okay, thank you, bye.